Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, who is 10 years old, and we're working on activities to strengthen the arms. And stair raises is an activity that I do. So let's see. Let's put, hold on. Put your hands on the step up behind you, and you got to try to push yourself up to that next step. Push. Come on. Ugh. That's it. Put your hands on the next one, and push yourself up. Now it looks like this is fairly tricky for Nickolas. So he's having to cheat with his legs a little bit. That is fine with me. Come on, let's go back down and we'll try again. Right here. You want to keep your feet right there on that one if you want. Keep your feet on this one. And put your hands right back here. And ready? Here we go. Push up. Are you trying to use your arms as much as possible? Right here. Push up. Ready? Push and come back up. And stairs have a wonderful way of being a lot. So I tend to do stair races with my kids to see who can get to the top of the stairs first. Often I will let them cheat with their legs a little bit, and then I don't get to cheat at all, and it's a very fair race. So it's a fun way to work on arm strengthening. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.